Introduction to Best Practices for E-TRADE Roth IRA. To make the most of your E-TRADE Roth IRA, it is essential to understand the key concepts and best practices involved in managing this type of retirement account. A Roth IRA is a popular retirement savings option that allows your money to grow tax-free and provides tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Understanding E-TRADE Roth IRA contributions. The first step in utilizing your E-TRADE Roth IRA is to understand the contribution rules. In order to contribute to a Roth IRA, you must have earned income from a job and your income must be below certain thresholds. The annual contribution limit is also a key factor to consider when planning your retirement savings strategy. Investing in your E-TRADE Roth IRA. Once you have funded your E-TRADE Roth IRA, it is time to think about investing your money. E-TRADE offers a wide range of investment options including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. It is essential to develop an investment strategy that aligns with your retirement goals and risk tolerance. Diversification and asset allocation. Diversification and asset allocation are critical components of a successful investment strategy. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can reduce risk and increase potential returns. E-TRADE provides a variety of tools and resources to help you create a diversified portfolio and manage your asset allocation. Monitoring and adjusting your portfolio. As your retirement goals and risk tolerance change over time, it is essential to monitor and adjust your portfolio accordingly. E-TRADE offers a range of tools and resources to help you track your investments and make adjustments as needed. Regular portfolio rebalancing can help ensure that your investments remain aligned with your retirement goals. Best practices for E-TRADE Roth IRA. To get the most out of your E-TRADE Roth IRA, follow these best practices. Start early and contribute consistently to maximize your retirement savings. Develop a long-term investment strategy and avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Take advantage of ETRADE's tools and resources to educate yourself and make informed investment decisions. By following these best practices, you can make the most of your E-TRADE Roth IRA and achieve your retirement goals.